Hi everyone, I've got an exciting newly established SUI coin to talk about today, which I think could easily 5x. I don't think this will go parabolic, but if you're looking for something that could be quite realistic, quite safe, you don't have to keep watching the charts every few minutes or every few hours, this is the video for you. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before investing any money and only invest what you can afford to lose. This is on the SUI chain and the project is called Slushies. So Slushies is making me yearn for summertime already. It's cold in the UK, where I'm from. Our clocks have gone back an hour. So my body's still getting used to it. So just forgive me if I look a little bit tired. So my body still thinks it's 12 minutes past 11 when it's 12 minutes past 10. Yeah, so slushes. I really like the look of this. I have invested in this before, but I want to be clear that I do not own any slushes at the time of recording the video because I have already sold. But I do think it's good to potentially buy in again at the near future. So Slushy is a meme coin on the SUI network, making waves in the crypto world. It's community-driven adventure. So let's create some ripples and enjoy the ride together. So there's a meme coin. It's all going to be community-driven, no kind of intrinsic value. Um, but I do like the look of this, and it could only develop as time goes on. So this was actually promote like uh, Crypto Games done a video on this recently. Brought it to my attention, and I did buy in quite early. Um, I bought in. I was about what 50 or 60 thousand market cap, and I did sell a little bit too early, but it did go up to just over 210,000 dollar market cap, and it's good to see that there is a kind of a support level at this $60,000 level. So hopefully it will still be there. As you can see, let me just scroll down a bit here. Oh, you can scroll down here. Yeah, there are some kind of recent transactions. It's not as volatile, which is good. If you want to buy now, while it's kind of relatively quiet, the volume is low. If you think it will go up, perhaps this might be the time to buy. You know, it's up to you to make that decision. But there's kind of like reasonable trades here, like $85, $99 here. We'll just call it $100. And as I said, I think this could be quite a good 5x, and because this could be one way you want to put in money like every so often. And it's on the SWE network, so you can download a Chrome extension. I know I'm using Microsoft Edge on this one, but yeah, you need a Chrome extension to download, and you can go onto Blue Move. Uh, so yeah, if you just search Blue Move Dex, you can then just get the contract address. So there should be like a contract address here, or you can find the contract address on movepump.com as well. So I'll put the contract address in the description below, so you can just go into Blue Move, and then you'll need to have send some SUI into your SUI wallet. Then go into Blue Move, and then you just swap your SUI for some slushy. Yeah, so I'll just keep it as a short video. Again, crypto gains, I think he just he kind of reposted this with a like his own comment saying you're mega early to this. That was a few days ago. As you can see, Slushy, so it's even less now. It's even less than 100,000 market cap. It's around $65,000. And you can see Hippo's got up to 120 million. So only time will tell. As I said, this could be one um, where people had that kind of initial excitement. This could be one now where you're putting in money in while it's quiet. Um, so I've said I'm going to do this with Troll. Like was it last year or so, and I didn't put in as much as I wanted then. Again, I'm still bullish on Troll, but again for the SWE network. Slushy could be really good, especially when summertime comes around. You know, go back to this video, you'd be like, oh, I wish I bought it back in October, maybe. um, but yeah, I just wanted to leave it there. Um, if you are from the UK, you might, and you have an iPhone, it's a bit tricky to. I don't think you can have like a SUI wallet. It doesn't connect with the Move Pump and the Blue Move, but you can do on Android. If you have an Android phone, and you have a SUI wallet downloaded, because you can download the SUI wallet on the Play Store. There's when you go to the SUI wallet, there's I think the third icon, it will say apps, and then you'll just need to add the website bluemove dot bluemove dot dex or dot net, whatever. I'll put I'll find the website as well. I'll link that in it below, and you just need to add it maybe every time you. If you do log out, you just have to log in each time, so probably best not log out. So yeah, I'll just leave it there. Just a short video, and I'll see you in the next one. And like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.